Hello, how are you doing today? Okay, we've already gotten through dotRace1 and dotRace2. Now we got to do dotRace3. dotRace3, the only thing you're going to be doing differently is that you are going to add another racer in which you are going to control with your up, down, left, and right arrows. Okay, I've only done 2 of your dots. You're doing the third one. Something else you're going to have to add. Right now you only have first, second, and third place. You should have already added that. For dotRace3, you're going to have first, second, third, and fourth place. So you're going to have to grab another if-else statement, put right here, and this one right here, your count's going to be 3. If your count equals 3, you're coming in third right here, and you should put else fourth place right here. Okay, let's go and create a new dot. Come over here to the paintbrush. Dot, we're going to want it filled in. Pick a color. So we got our dot right there. We're going to put some little eyes, nose, and a mouth on it. Put some eyes, eye, nose, and draw a mouth. Put a little hair up here. Okay, got another dot. Let's center this dot. Grab here, make sure you click up here where the X is. Grab this X, put it in the center of your dot. Having that dot, it's centered. And we need to make it a little smaller. That's bigger, sorry about that. Make it a little smaller. And put it at a start point on your finish, on your start line. And then let's go to the script part of it. Okay, we will always want it to go to the starting point when we start the race. So go to events, green flag, go to XY. Your dot will always start at that location right there. And that's all we need for that part right there. Now we want to be able to move it. So green flag, wait 1 second, because you put wait 1 second on these, so you don't want your dot to start before the other dots start. So go back to it, put a wait 1 second underneath there, and then we're going to grab a forever loop. Inside this forever loop, we're going to be able to put a bunch of if statements, 4 if statements to be matter of fact. So grab 4 if statements, bring them out here, and go to sensing. And where it says key space pressed, grab 4 of those and put in this here. Put them in the top, in the condition part. Now, we're going to go up, down, left, and right. Okay. When you're pressing your left and right arrows, your up and down arrows, you have to think about if you're on your x-axis or your y-axis. If you said y-axis, you were correct. So we want to go to the motion, and we want to change change y by. So grab the change y by, put them in there, and we're just going to change y by 5 right now. 5. Now think about it. If you're going up or you're going negative or positive. If you said positive, you're correct. So in retrospect, if you're going down, you're going negative. So you're going -5. Now let's look at the left and right arrows. Since we're on the x-axis, so go back to motion, change x by, and we're going to make these 5 also. Now, if we're going to the left on the x-axis, or we're going negative or positive? If you said negative, you're correct. So put a -5 in there. And that means if we're going to the right, we'll be going positive. And just connect all these together. Put them inside the forever loop. And let's hit the green flag and see if we got some movement here. And see it moves up, See, it moves right, left. Oh, messed up right here. On this down arrow, we put change X by, so it's not working. We need to have a change Y by. So pull it out, duplicate it, put it right here, and change Y by. Since we're going down, it should be negative. Now let's do it. There we go. Now 5 is moving quite fast because if you look on their dots, the fastest we're moving is 4. So let's go with a 3 on this. Let's go to medium speed, go 3. So let's change all these to 3. So 3, -3, -3, and 3. Start all over again, and we're off. And you still have to put all the code on there so it could tell if it's coming in first, second, and third place. And all that code is going to be the same. Only the movement code is going to be different. But as you've seen, when I move, I can go through the infill. We do not want it to go through the infill. So we have to add just a little bit of code so prevent that. And I will do that in my next video. So this is the one to get it to start moving, and the next one will be the one to prevent your dot from going through the infill. Okay, good luck.